Today, we're tackling algae buildup on an outdoor rock fountain. Algae can begin to make the rocks look green, but cleaning them off is simple and chemical-free. To start, use a soft-bristled brush and gently scrub the rocks, focusing on the greenest areas. Algae will loosen up with a bit of effort, so work around each rock, getting into any nooks and crannies. Keep your brush strokes firm yet gentle. Pay extra attention to the tops, where water flows over and algae often sticks. Rinse the brush as needed to keep it clean. Once you've brushed away the green, let water run over the rocks to rinse them off. And that's it. A clean, algae-free fountain, ready to enhance the beauty of your garden. For even more tips and to browse a wide selection of amazing water features, visit us at shopbluethumb.com.